Every day, I speak to another business owner who's drowning in merchant cash advance debt. They took these loans out, not realizing what they were getting into. And before they knew it, because they had no other option, they had to take a second and a third one. And they're getting stacked and unable to maintain that debt. That merchant cash advances are killing more businesses than they're helping. And if you're suffering, if you're struggling with merchant cash advance debt, there is a way out. You could qualify for a debt consolidation loan that will allow you to pay off that merchant cash advance and get out of that debt and put you into a normal loan with regular monthly payments with interest rates between 10 to 15%. If you still have good credit, I can get you out of this debt. I have several banks that will issue you a loan up to $500,000 to pay off your merchant cash advance debt. Again, you still have to have good credit and you still have to show that your business has cash flow. So if that's you and you want to refinance and consolidate, get out of this debt, let me know. Reach out to me, schedule a one-on-one. Let's see if we can get you out of it. Now, if you're in a situation where your credit is tanked, you destroyed your credit, you cannot qualify for the debt consolidation loan, then the only alternative you have is to restructure. So if you're on the brink of defaulting, or if you've already defaulted on your merchant cash advance debt, then I can set you up with an attorney firm who will negotiate a settlement and they'll be able to help you to get out of that debt. They'll reduce your monthly payments right away within a couple days, between 50 to 70% of what you're paying now. You'll be able to save that money right away. You'll have a settled restructure in place and you'll be able to pay off that as the money grows in your wealth reserve account. This is something that every single person should have in place as their fundamental account where they store their wealth and then from there they deploy it to fill in the blank. This is the goal. But to get there, we need to create cash flow. To create cash flow, we have to stop the bleeding or the sinking. So that's why we have to start with step one, your lifeline, so that you can create cash flow. We can rebuild your profile, rebuild your credit, get you in a position where you can grow your business and you can start building your boat so that you'll never have to rely on the banks ever again.